Filipino, Malaweg. Filipino is the national language of the Philippines and serves as a standardized form of Tagalog, one of the country's major languages. It is based on Tagalog but incorporates elements from various Philippine languages, as well as foreign languages such as Spanish, English, and Chinese, reflecting the archipelago's diverse linguistic and cultural heritage. Filipino is used in government, education, and media, promoting national identity and unity among the Filipino people. As a language, it continues to evolve, adapting to modern influences while maintaining its roots in indigenous traditions. Malaweg is a northern Philippine language spoken by the Malaweg people, primarily in the town of Rizal in Cagayan and parts of Kalinga. It belongs to the northern Luzon branch of the Austronesian language family and is closely related to Ibanag, sharing many linguistic similarities. While it is used in everyday life by the Malaweg, the language faces challenges from dominant languages like Ilocano and Tagalog, making it endangered. Efforts to preserve Malaweg include documentation and revitalization initiatives aimed to encouraging younger generations to learn and use the language. Isa, dalawa,
dua,
tatlo,
talo,
apat, lima, anim,
anam,
pito, walo, siyam, sampu.
mapulo.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka. Sambahin ang ngalan mo.
Amami nga asan ka langit, madaydayaw din yung aga mo.
Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa para nang sa langit.
Nga dumtal ki kami yapapatulan mo, maaway urem ki dabun inape ka langit.
Bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw.
Noya ka nami kakada algaw, idamo ki kami kakada algaw.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala, para nang pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin.
Pakoma mo yan aliw-liwatan mi. Inapay ang makoma mi kanda yan nakaliwat ki kami.
At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso, at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen.
Madina kami ipabulon kaya pangakakap, ilisi na kami kaya ngamin nga napos.